I think this one's just super valuable. Apparently they've got New Year deal. Now, apparently the CEO of Mint was an amazing company where you could track all your expenses. Got shut down. I still don't know exactly what happened here, and there was no real replacement that took place. And so my wife and I were doing our year-end analysis on finances, and I was exporting from TD Bank and then doing some data visualization in Looker Studio. And it was just like, there must be a better way than this. This is obviously something that we want to have figured out as a family. There must be a better automated way. And so I did a little bit of research. There's another couple applications that are doing this. There's one called Copilot. There's one, You Need a Budget, which is a little bit more heavy-handed. I ended up on Money just because I loved Mint, and we synced all our accounts into the platform. It's got some great reports, automatically classifies the transactions. I love that it shows where your net worth is. You can set up goals. A transaction comes out, I can tie that transaction to the mortgage and see that mortgage amount come down. And overall, good classification. You can set up those rules, those conditions. And my wife and I have now basically completely this into our life. And I've just found huge benefit to it. You don't need to log into it every day or anything, but log in once a week, make sure everything's classifying properly. It changes, it improves very quickly. And I think has been a great benefit to us, definitely allowed us to get a bit of a handle on things. Like I can look at my last year and see a perfect classification of every dollar spent, what exact category it went to. And then there's also a budget, a forecast, and you have a lot of flexibility and control and high level view into where you are at and where you're going. So in that case, I'm not getting promoted by them. I just think it's a great product, one that I was glad to stumble on at the start of 2025, and have been really happy. I took that 50% off discount, and I think for the amount of money that flows through a couple and how important this is to your quality of life, this was a great purchase for us.